You are so very lonely. Why you are so very lonely? Nana siguro ba? I think na ana. Ay. Kumandi ay. He prepared the food, guys. Oh. The Koreano is preparing the food. Diba? Where did you sleep here?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
Oh my God. Do you have something, Kuan dyan?
Huh?
Do you have something?
No more.
No more. Really? Do you sleep here? Hmm?
Why? No problem.
No, no. This is not no. It's no problem. But
Kawan man this one.
yeah, I know. But how about the hati hulog na akong kuan. Wa nagumba. Hati ko. Pandamay. Broken. My phone is broken. Oh my God. Ina. Kuan ba? The ants ba eating you? Broken akong phone. My phone is broken. My goodness, di. What? It's working. Heaven is broken. It's working. Do you have the? Why do you have motor? That's your kuan worker? That's your worker? Or no?
No.
Oh, okay. Diba? He is busy to kuan, to cook the food. Oh, she asked pa if how many cooking. Betaw guys, nag-adto pa si James sa balay kay murag ako siyang i-demonstrate manggod guys nga dili good gid iyang napalit bitaw. Ang problem lang gid kay ang iyang TV. I think it guys ay TV giyang problem. This is not the Korean store, Manday. I know this is the store. You buy that TV in the Unitap. You buy that TV in the Unitap. Yeah, oh, because they have kuan ba Unitap. Oh? 3,000. Oh, they have Unitap.
Mura na.
Yeah, mura. But if you buy TV, just buy in a Unitap too. Because the Unitap is 3,000.
Unitap Philippine TV na.
Yeah, Philippine TV. This is a Philippine TV man kay it was Ace man. Ace is a Philippine, not a Korean.
Where is the same? Kaisa no?
No. Unitap. This is Unitap, oh. Oh, Unitap. This is Unitap. Oh, you buy this in the Unitap. Oh, so buy if you
Long time this one.
huh?
The 12 years this one.
Yeah. But if you want to buy again, this you buy a Unitap because Unitap 3,000. It was not kuan. You want to see what channel you want to see in the TV? You want to see in a Korean Korean channel? What is the Korean channel in here in the Philippines? Guys, busy kay akong papa guys, oh. Ang kunin dadto. Bitaw guys, ay nagulat lang ko ni James guys kasi James nag-adto pagbalay. Ipakuha na ko tong TV na mga gamay dadto. Para ma-prove gid na ako guys ba nga dili gid ang parasat may daot ang yan TV may daot. Kay kung kay okay mo goodbye, okay gid ang parasat bay bisa katong gipalit nga bag-o bitaw nga USB ay na HDMI. Actually guys, nara yung HDMI guys oh. Nara yung HDMI pero mubo man. So nato nagpalit siya taas. Pero kung kuan gini guys, kung ako ni i-try karon gid igabot sa mong TV, kumugana siya through HDMI nga iyang gipalit. Kumugana siya. So it means it's okay na magpalit ay nakapalit siya ana ba murag dili bitaw kay kuan sa mong kaugalingon nga gipapalit na mo siya ingana. Amo mo gud siyang gipapalit guys so gingana. Niya basig dili mo gana man gud ba mo nang nakuan ko mo nang
Next time,
gipakon.
who she check?
Ha?
Who she check this one?
Check?
You.
Who check?
Next time another
Another?
another that watching about this one.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Who?
Yeah, who this one?
Many. Lot of people. See, why? Why?
No,
Why?
we don't. We don't.
I know.
Mm.
It's okay.
Only you, huh?
Because I have a salary.
Hmm.
I have a salary on this. On this. I have a salary.
Another salary.
Yeah.
Oh, how much is one?
Maybe if they have a viral video or something, it's high. Not all the time. Not a fixed price. Maybe if they have a viral, but if they don't have viral, it's a little bit like 1,000 like that.
Many no, 3,000.
Huh?
Many.
Yeah, it's many.
Gasoline.
Yeah. If you want to have like how the Filipino people is that good. Nawa na, you're viral. This is not kuan eh. No people see this if da kuan. Pero guys, amo mo ko siyang gipapalit og kuan guys. Continue. Amo siyang gipapalit og HDMI ganina ba kay ang HDMI is bobo rabitaw kaayo. Nya mo rin to guys. Piling na ko sa TV gid niya. Kay kuan man gid siya bay, di gid siya mogana. Gitry na pala mo remote, gilisan na namong battery. Agad siya. So maybe